Good afternoon, guys. We're making a big for our lunch today. Magluba rice. Magluba rice, guys. Look at guys. Wow. Like cake. Like cake. Dito ta siya gay na bungkag. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. See you my next videos, guys. You know, guys, who made this? Mama Lisa from Ethiopia. No, she did Kobe, a big one, like a cake. But this is a magluba rice. Magluba rice, magluba chicken, maglub. Yan, sabi tumbling ba? Sabi tumbling. Kaya i-tumbling ni mo ng imong yan, nakahayang siya tapos ikulob ni mo ba? Amo na siyang dukot ang sa ilawom. Oh, see? Look at guys. Gamon, syrup, yummy to guys. See? Yummy. Look at that guys. Yummy. Enjoy na naman to sila guys. Paborito nila to. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.